Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am testing a new version of Million Mile version C. So, as I claim that if you put it in your car, the car goes up to 1 million mile. So what I will do, I will test it on this machine, the new version, and see how many weights it hold. So I add 5% of the version C of Million Mile and place it here in the cup. Start the machine. And let's see. Actually, this machine is designed in such a way that the fulcrum is designed in such a way that it exerts thousands of psi pressure on that particular point where the bearing and the race are interact with each other. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, and number 20. So it holds 20 weights without any problem. The wear scar is negligible. You can see the wear scar is negligible. The temperature on the bearing is 45 degrees centigrade. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, and it is still running. The wear scar is very small. You can see the wear scar. So this thing holds 20 weight without any problem, and the wear scar is small, and it means that as the engine heats up, it protects the engine more. Thank you for watching.